Baru sampai Korea. Sana. Baru sampai ke lapangan terbang Incheon, Korea. Sekarang kita nak bergerak ke immigration. Kita nak bergerak ke immigration. Ni jaya BQ Water. Okey, selamat datang ke Korea. Selepas selesai di immigration, kita ambil beg di kaunter di.
I was always working with Tina. Oh, with Tina. Yes. You're first a different role leader from Carmen.
Airport apa ni? Airport apa?
Enjoy.
Chin